But there is 2 chapters in civics.
2 chapters for civics, 1 for history and 1 for economics. So we will start revision from history.
I mean geography.
And geography also chapters 4.
2 chapters are there for geography.
Yes, ma'am. Geography from 2.
2 chapters are there for geography also. Fine.
And it
4
will
and
be
5.
MCQ form.
Not exactly in MCQ form. 40 marks question paper would be there. 20% is MCQ and 20% is subjective. Objective would be in form of MCQ, true, false, and one word answer, fill-ups. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And subjective, as you know, question and answers with map skill.
Ma'am,
How
can we give an exam?
as you have given already for half yearly, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And one more thing, children, daily teachers will not tell you to keep on your videos. So here I'm going to revise the chapter 3 history. But before that, I want all the video should be on. Otherwise, I will remove you from the class without intimating you. Hai. It's a great insult of a teacher. Teacher is telling continuously, keep on your video. Then after you are sitting, अपनी मर्जी से बैठे हैं. That's not good. Only few children are there which I am able to see. So before starting the chapter, I am going to remove you from the class. Yes, Manvi, it's okay, beta. Without intimating you, I am going to remove you from the class. Agam, within a minute on your video. Ishika Sancheti. फिर बाद में आप लोग किसी को भी कंप्लेंट करेंगे, none of you will listen you. It's okay, Agam, but use webcam. Fine. So आप जिनको मैं रिमूव करूंगी उनका एब्सेंट लग जाएगा, ये भी याद रखना. भूमिका जैन, इशिका संचेती, and then after I will log the meeting too. Who else is there? Labdhi, Manvi, I got your message. Gaurav Jain, Garvik is on. दिव्या, शौर्य, हितैषी, संयम झाबक, मेरे ख्याल से सारे टीचर्स आप लोग को ये बात बोलते हैं ना. तेजस्वत, डोंट कंपेयर योरसेल्फ विथ मी. ओके. Fine. So here we are going to discuss about the chapter Is it properly visible to all of you? Nazism and rise of Hitler. Adolf Hitler. All of we know about the Adolf Hitler and the place where he belongs, or the story of Germany. Okay, so this chapter is about Germany fought the First World War in 1948 to 1918. continuously for 4 years, along with the Austrian Empire and against the allies England, France, and Russia. Fine. Germany initially made gains by occupying France and Belgium. However, the Allies won, defeating Germany and Central Powers in 1918. Okay, so all about which we are going to discuss is about the Nazism, how Nazism rise up, how Nazism ने कैसे अपना धीरे धीरे अप्रोच बनाया और कैसे वो डिक्लाइन हो गया. Clear? So two powers were there: Allied power, France, England, and Russia. Central power, Germany plus Austria. Fine. You can see here Allied powers, Axis powers. So what was the main impact of World War I on the political structure of Germany? As we all know, World War I क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ? So what was the impact of it? All are unmuted from my side. Keep on your mic and tell the answer. Impact of World War I on the political structure of Germany. Chat send करने के बजाय आप लोग बोलो. Harit, you can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, is Axis power and Central power same?
Yes, beta. Axis means what? The center, है ना? Both are same. So what was the effect of the First World War?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Germany lost,
Hmm.
so there was a large amount. Ma'am, they suffered a large amount of damage, and the economy was down.
Yes. Correct है. Anyone else? When I asked, is there any doubt in this chapter? आप लोगों ने जवाब नहीं दिया. When I'm asking something, nobody is replying. What's the meaning of it? Two controversial question I'm asking. Is there any doubt in this chapter, beta? No one of you are replying. Means there isn't any doubt. If I'm asking the question related to the chapter, no one is replying. What's the meaning of it? Priyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No doubt? So without video are देखो बच्चे धीरे धीरे कम होते जा रहे हैं because they are removing. ठीक है. So as we got the answer from Raghav, which is exactly correct answer, impact of World War I on political structure of Germany. Emperor of Germany abdicated. Now no king was there. National Assembly created. Federal structure of democratic constitution for Germany. People of Germany elected deputies for German parliament. ये सारी चीजें हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं क्लास में ऑलरेडी, है ना. The war had devastating impact on the entire continent, not only the particular Germany, entire continent, both psychologically and financially too. Yes, from beginning a creditor, Europe became a debtor. जो यूरोपियन कंट्री था, जो क्रेडिटर था, अब वो क्या हो चुका था? अब वो डेप्टर बन चुका था. द सपोर्टर्स ऑफ द वीमार रिपब्लिक वेयर क्रिटिसाइज्ड एंड बिकेम इजी टारगेटेड टू अटैक इन द कंजर्वेटिव नेशनलिस्ट. Circle soldiers came to be placed above civilians. Aggressive war, propaganda, and national honor became important. The fragile democracy could not survive and led to instability in Europe. Means all the Europe was suffering, not only particular Germany or any particular country. Whole the Europe was suffering of it, of effect of World War First. Yes, खैर वॉर से किसी को कभी भी कोई फायदा तो हुआ नहीं है आज तक. फाइन. तो सबसे बड़ा जो क्राइसिस है, क्राइसिस विच वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस अबाउट, दैट इज व्हाट. क्या हुआ था उसमें? एम्परर ऑफ जर्मनी एब्डिकेटेड, कोई भी किंग वहां पे नहीं था. नेशनल असेंबली, फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर, डेमोक्रेटिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ये सारी चीजें हुई. साथ ही साथ एक वहां पे क्या इशू आया था? ये पढ़े हुए हमने, वीमार रिपब्लिक पढ़ा हुआ है हमने. हैव वी डिस्कस एवर अबाउट द वीमार रिपब्लिक?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Any one of you would like to talk something about the Weimar Republic? तब आगे समझ में आएगा, otherwise no. What is this, Harit?
Ma'am, it is government.
Yes. It was government. Fine. So, what did happen? Ki later on the people, wait, let me explain. So, political and economical crises were there. The birth of Weimar Republic coincided with the uprising of the language on the pattern of the Bolshevik revolution in Russia. ठीक है? And it was the beginning of Communist Party in Germany. Instability in the Germany paved the way of Hitler. Political radicalization was heightened by the economic crisis of 1923. As Germany refused to pay the war reparation, France occupied its leading industries area. कौन कौन सा एरिया था ये? फ्रांस के बहुत सारे एरियाज को कैप्चर कर लिया गया था ना आफ्टर द वॉर, है ना. पीस ऑफ ट्रीटी, एट द नेम ऑफ पीस ऑफ
Ma'am.
ट्रीटी. क्या ये एक्चुअली इट वाज पीस?
No, ma'am.
तेजस्वत, आई एम रिमूविंग वन बाय वन, प्लीज डोंट सजेस्ट मी बेटा, है ना. एक्चुअली वाज इट, है ना, इसका नाम रखा गया था पीस ऑफ ट्रीटी, बट पीस था उसमें कहीं पर? नो.
No, ma'am.
है ना, इट वाज नॉट लाइक दैट. 13% ऑफ टेरिटरी. Wait a moment, then after we will continue. I think one. Tejaswat, actually some children are using desktop without webcam. They sent me message earlier when I started the class. That's why I'm not removing them. Okay. But those who are using camera or the phone or PC, they can use their camera. किसी को प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पे कि मैं उनको रिमूव क्यों की? Because you on your camera, now afterwards you off your camera, Tejaswat, and I think you are disturbing the class now. Some children already sent me some text about their camera. Only them I am not removing from the class. Rest, those who are with camera, then after not, or then after they are off their videos, I'm just removing them. ठीक है तेजस्वत, अभी भी कुछ पूछना है बेटा आपको? I know he left the class. But it should not dare be in my class कि मैम आपने ऐसा क्यों किया, मैम आपने वो क्यों किया, like that. Literally, I don't like this at all. Fine, let's continue. So, we were talking about the Treaty of Peace, which was actually not Treaty of Peace, है ना? वो उसमें peace था ही नहीं. ये क्या था? Actually, हिटलर के आने का आगाज था, है ना? And when was the year of this? इसमें हुआ क्या था? 13% of territory of Germany, 17% iron, 26% coal were taken by the France, Poland, Denmark, and Lithuania. Germany was demilitarized, मतलब उनकी खुद की मिलिट्री नहीं थी. Allied armies occupied resources, जो सबसे ज्यादा जिसमें मिनरल्स थे, आयरन ओर्स थे, ये सारा जो एरिया था, ये सारी चीजें क्या हुई थी? कैप्चर कर ली गई थी. अब क्लियर? So, the year of depression in 1924 to 1928 saw some stability, yet it was built on sand. Germany was totally dependent on short-term loans, largely from the USA. है ना? USA को लगने लगा कि now I will support Germany, and he started supporting to Germany, है ना? Withdraw with the sum crashes in 1929 of the Wall Street Exchange. Germany इकोनॉमी वॉज हिट बैडली. क्या होता है जब कोई कंट्री हमको सपोर्ट कर रहा है और वो खुद इकोनॉमिकल क्राइसिस में पड़ जाता है, तो ऑब्वियस है कि हमारी भी हालत क्या है? खराब हो जाएगी. तो सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद द जर्मनी. जर्मनी वॉज गेटिंग सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द यूएसए, और ग्रेट डिप्रेशन की वजह से क्या, यूएसए ने अपना सपोर्ट करना बंद कर दिया. सपोर्ट बंद करने के साथ साथ क्या करने लगा? जो लोन उसने दिया था उसको वापस मांगना शुरू कर दिया. सो दिस वाज द वर्स्ट ईयर फॉर द जर्मनी. ठीक है. द वीमार रिपब्लिक हैड सम inherent defects: proportional representation first, and second was the Article 48, which gave the president the power to impose emergencies, suspend civil rights, and rule by decree. So such type of condition, very short I am discussing the chapter here because thoroughly we already discussed it. It was the time when the Hitler starting gaining his power. It was a time to rise the power of Hitler. Hitler was born in Austria, not Australia, sorry, my fault, Austria. Hitler was born in Austria in 1889. He earned many medals for bravery. First World War, German defeated, horrified, and the Treaty of Versailles made him furious. He joined the German Workers' Party and renamed it National Socialist German Workers' Party. This later come to known as नाजी पार्टी, है ना? सबसे पहले नाजी पार्टी का हिस्ट्री अगर पूछा जाए तो बोलेंगे ये किस नाम से चालू हुआ था? जर्मन वर्कर्स पार्टी. फिर ये रिनेम्ड हो गया नेशनल सोशलिस्ट जर्मन वर्कर्स, और वही later on the same party was known as Nazi Party. Nazism became a mass movement only during the Great Depression. The Nazi propaganda hopes a better future. Okay. So, as we all know, Hitler was a powerful, effective speaker. He promised to people a strong nation where all would get employment. His politics includes the significant rituals and mass mobilization. Nazi propaganda skillfully projected Hitler as a मसीहा और द सेवियर. बहुत अच्छे से हिटलर की जो स्पीचेस होते थे वो बहुत ज्यादा क्या लगता था कि हाँ, ही इज रियल नेशनलिस्ट, है ना? ही इज रियल नेशनलिस्ट. उनको लोगों को फील होता था कि वो बहुत अच्छे नेशनलिस्ट है, उनकी जो वॉइस है, बोलने का जो तरीका है, उससे लोग क्या होते थे, बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्टेड होते थे, और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे तरह से अपने आप को प्रेजेंट किया। लोगों को क्या लगने लगा कि हिटलर जो है ना, एडोल्फ हिटलर इज मसीहा, नाउ ही विल सेव आवर कंट्री, he will save the people, and this was the main reason to become popularity of Adolf Hitler. Okay, the destruction of democracy. Obvious, whenever a dictator came, democracy always destroyed. Hitler achieved the highest position in the cabinet of ministries on 30th January 1933. Need to note down the date. Hitler now set out the dismantle the structure of democratic rule. The fire decree of 20th February 1933 suspended civic right. Okay. All political parties were banned, especially which parties were especially? Surveillance party and the security forces were created to control the people and rule with the impunity. Reconstruction, क्या क्या चीज का रिकंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ? इकोनॉमिक्स, है ना, क्या नाम था उसका, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग हिज नेम, कुछ समथिंग सैशेट वाज देयर ना, ओके, हजालमार सैशेट वाज गिवन द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी टू इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी. He aimed at full production and full employment through a state-funded work creation program. Hitler pulled out the the League of Nations in 1933, reoccupied the Rhineland, which was the full of minerals in 1936. उसको फिर से reoccupy कर लिया. And integrated Austria and Hungary in 1938 under the slogan "One People, One Empire, One Leader." ये स्लोगन उसने दिया था, "One People, One Empire, One Leader." No doubt he appointed Shasset as a economist, but later on he himself ignored Shasset's advice of not to invest hugely in rearmament. Okay, he then took student land from, कहाँ से कर दिया, उसने स्टूडेंट के लिए लैंड बनाया, बहुत सारे रूल्स बनाए जहाँ पे हिटलर लिटरेचर को पढ़ाया जाएगा, है ना, बहुत so many things were there which we already discussed. That's why I stopped my screen sharing. PPT मैंने बंद कर दिया था इसी वजह से. Okay, anyone of you would like to talk about the topic? I think you should. Raghav, Harit, Tanmay. The Nazi and the world view. है ना, what did happen later on? Children in school, they started studying about the Nazi ideology. बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसा हुआ था ना, नाजीज्म को फेवरेट बनाने के लिए, नाजीज्म को और ऊपर लाने के लिए, लोगों को बताने के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया था, नाजी आइडियोलॉजी, दे इंट्रोड्यूस नाजी आइडियोलॉजी. अक्षत मारुति, आर यू गेटिंग बेटा? टॉपिक्स आर क्लियर?
Ma'am, killed 6 million Jews.
Yes. One by one, we are coming to that topic also, G's, है ना, one by one. So, the Nazi and the world view. According to Nazi ideology, there was no equality between people, है ना, but only racial hierarchy. The Nazis quickly began to implement their dream of creating the exclusive racial community of pure Germans. Just Tanmay told about the kill 6 million Jews. क्यों? क्योंकि just because of racial. ठीक है. pure Germans by physically eliminating all those who were considered undesirable. They wanted a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans, Jews, Gypsies, blacks, Russian, Poles, even certain Germans and abnormal were considered undesirable. इतने सारे जो ज्यूज थे, जिप्सीज थे, इनके अलावा जो आर्यंस, जो अपने आप को जर्मन्स आर्यंस कहते थे, उसमें भी जो हैंडीकैप्ड हो गए, फिजिकली या मेंटली